Okay, good morning. So, shoutout muna natin yung ating mga kasamahang construction worker. Yan, Sabado may ginagawa sila. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin dyan sa buong Earth, yaksa, buong universe. Anyway, anong araw ba ngayon? Okay, today is Saturday. Ano ba meron tuwing Sabado? Siyempre wala nang iba kundi Saturday shoutout. So, huwag na nating patagalin. Let's go! So, unang-una sa ating listahan, mega shoutout kay Ma'am Whitestone Moto din. Mayroon po siyang showroom dyan sa May Tondo, Manila. And meron din siya doon sa Dimasalang, Masbate. So, please contact her for more details. Okay, next. Meron tayong special shoutout from Ma'am Aisa Suico. Ito yung ating kaibigan na kung todo suporta sa lahat ng videos natin, no? So dahil special charge si Ma'am Aisa, meron po siyang special request shout out, no? First and foremost, hindi po tayo endorser ng mga politiko, no? So dahil kaibigan ko itong si Ma'am Aisa Suico, meron siyang special request shout out. Okay, special shoutout po kay Dr. Banji Bautista ng Ubando, Bulacan, po konsehala. Doktora, ipagpatuloy nyo lang po yung inyong pagtulong sa mamamayan ng Ubando, Bulacan. Naniniwala po ako na ang mga taga Ubando, Bulacan ay nangangailangan ng isang Dr. Banji Bautista. Doktora, ingatan niyo po ang inyong mamamayan, alagaan niyo po ang inyong nasasakupan. Peace. Okay, so shoutout din sa SM City, Cagayan de Oro, Uptown. Yan, so diretso na natin. Saturday shoutout, let's roll. And I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Days on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come down with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Okay, that's it. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And the boost. Peace.